Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to list on Zillow by owner. Okay, so if you own the rental property and want to advertise it yourself rather than through a real estate agent or property manager, Zillow refers this as for rent by owner FRBO. So open your web browser and go to Zillow Rental Manager, which I have in here. Okay, and sign in using your Zillow account. Well, if you don't already have a Zillow account, you have to create one and use a valid consumer account. Zillow's listing policy requires FSBO, FRBO listings to meet its ownership and account requirements. So from Zillow Rental Manager, just choose the option to add a property or list a rental property, and you'll be asked for the property address. So click on add a property. So enter the property address. This is important because Zillow's listing policy requires directly posted listings to include a complete address, including the street number, so Zillow can authenticate the property and maintain its listing quality. So click on create listing. Now, because you are listing by owner, just make sure that you're actually the owner of the property. Click on confirm. Now, Zillow's policy specifically states that to advertise a property as for rent by owner, you must be the owner of the property, because Zillow may request documentation to verify ownership. So if Zillow asks you to verify ownership, follow the instructions displayed on the screen and provide the requested documentation. If you're managing someone else's property but don't own it, don't represent the listing as FRBO. In that situation, you should use the appropriate property manager workflow. So complete the information about your rental. Okay, square feet. I'm going to just add kind of square feet. I'm just filling out all of this. We'll just ensure that whatever you're feeling totally represents. Okay. Do you want a special promotional offer? Do you have pictures? If you please add pictures if you do, and don't mind all my selection, just tick the boxes that apply to your listing. I'm just doing this because I want you to know how it works. All right, do you have additional amenities that are not listed? You can add that. Screening area, minimum credit score. Next, tell us about pets. If you want to allow pets, yes or no. Click on next. Cost and fees. You have additional fees, add them if you have additional fees. Next, what should rentals know? I'm just going to do well. No, do renters require insurance? You can just fill that in and click on next. Now here is where it gets interesting. This is where you're going to have to ask who is listing this property. So is it listed by the property owner? Because you want to list by owner, right? You have to check this box that says property owner. If it's a management company and broker, if it's a tenant, no. But because this tutorial is centered around listing by owner, it's important for you to click on property owner under this section. So add the name of the property owner and just go ahead and click on next. So the next thing is for you to add your phone number and verify the phone number. Now before publishing, just go through the entire listing carefully and pay particular attention to the address and rental price. A mistake in either one could result in renters receiving incorrect information. Once you've completed it, just go ahead and follow through the prompts to publish. A property will then be advertised as a rental on Zillow's platform and can reach prospective renters. Zillow says private landlords can use its platform to create listings and communicate directly with renters. All right, so because this is for rent by owner, you're responsible for managing the rental relationship. So after publishing, you can still use Zillow Rental Manager to handle activities such as responding to rental inquiries, managing leads, receiving applications, screening prospective tenants, managing leases, and collecting rent online. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.